So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the battery drain problem on the latest iOS 26 on your smartphones, on your iPhones. Now in order to do it, what we're going to do, we'll just simply reduce the transparency effect, that's the liquid glass effect on your iPhone. Now in order to do it, just simply go to the settings. In the settings, scroll down until you see this option of accessibility, go over there, and here you'll see this option of display and text size. Just simply tap over there, and here you'll see this option of reduce transparency. Once you enable this option, all it's going to do, it will reduce all the transparency effect, the liquid glass effect, and that will definitely save the battery drain problem for you, because currently the version is not yet stable. Even if it's the final version, let's just wait for the newer versions of iOS 26, and then this problem will be solved. Until then, you can use this option. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.